Alright guys, welcome back to 4K Motoring. Today's video is going to be a quick oil change on the AR190. Alright, so the filter that I'm using for the AR190 is a Yamaha 69J13440-04, and it takes 4 quarts of 10W40, and I'm using the Yamalube oil change kit. It is number 919421, and I'll put a link in the description below for this, as well as the oil pump. Got everything set up, got a little oil pump here, got our catch can. The oil pump is hooked up to the battery. Got our Yamalube oil change kit. It takes 4 quarts of oil. You have to put the little suck line of the oil pump down into the dipstick hole. It goes in pretty easy. You can feel it bottom out just like that. It's all the way at the bottom. Now we're gonna see how long it takes. Okay, so we got the oil all pumped out, dumped it into a container. It was about 3.6 quarts that we got out of there, and that's without the filter, so I think it was pretty good. Put our dipstick tube back in there. Fit, I guess it only goes in one way. Alright, so I got a little container down there under the filter. Try and get this out. Man, they got it spun on there tight. Guess I'm gonna have to get my wrench. Yep, I can't get it. Alright, so the filter is really tight, so I'm gonna use a set of these big channel locks. I do have like a filter wrench that fits on the side end there, but you have no room to get to it with the filter box there, so this normally works pretty good. You don't have to worry about bending it up because you're going to replace it anyways. Just get a little tension on there and just break it free. Yeah, they had that really tight. It's still freaking tight. I think that dripped the minimal amount. I don't think I got any anywhere. That's pretty good. Alright, I'm going to put the camera down while I get this out so I can not make a mess everywhere. Alright. Put a little oil on the filter around the seal. Yep. Alright. Now oil filters are supposed to go till it's supposed to be 3/4 of a turn after the gasket hits. So the gasket's hitting right now. So that's a quarter. That's a half. That's 3/4 of a turn right there. And my hands were greasy, so I couldn't even get a grip on it. Oh, there's just a tiny bit of oil that seeped through down there. Not much. I'll use this rag to wipe up. I'm sure it ran down this thing underneath. Looks pretty. I'll use this clean rag again just to go over it. There. Alright. There's a little fill hole right on top. I always use a funnel so I don't make a mess.